For better or worse, the phablet category is no longer the exclusive domain of Android, as Nokia has made a noteworthy entry into the space. The 6-inch Lumia 1320 is the second and less impressive of the company's two new phablets, as it's strictly a mid-range device. The 1320 actually serves to pretty much close what is perhaps that last gap in the Finnish company's product line, as it now has devices across all parts of both the size and price spectrum. So how does this $330 odd phablet monstrosity fare outside the lab? Let's find out. In the box: wall charger, microSD USB cable, earphones. This budget phablet makes use of the latest Windows Phone 8 update, sometimes referred to as GDO3. Thanks to the larger form factor, you get to play with an extra column of tiles. You can fit as many as 6 of the smallest WP8 tiles on a single row, which leaves you with quite some space to arrange your home screen to your heart's content. But despite the changes that the last update brought, the interface still is largely unchanged in terms of both functionality and looks. This means that we're yet to be graced with a dedicated notification center and just a whole list of little things that indicate the platform's relative immaturity. On the plus side, we are getting a kick out of glance screen, and we even had some choppy fun with Nokia Beamer, the app that allows you to mirror your screen over the web. Apps, such as Here Maps and Here Drive with offline navigation, are also on board and to our taste, though we sadly didn't get the Nokia ProCam app out of the box. We had to manually download it.